Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're diving into a topic that may not be the most glamorous, but it's really important. How to deal with taxes during Florida probate. Whether you're a personal representative, a beneficiary, or just someone curious about the process, this video is for you. First things first, what exactly is probate? In Florida, probate is the legal process that takes place after someone passes away, specifically to settle their estate, distribute assets, pay debts, and yes, deal with their taxes. You might think of it as sort of a final to-do list for the deceased. Now, let's break down how taxes fit into that picture, because it's not just about distributing the assets to the heirs, it's also about ensuring the decedent's debts and tax situations are addressed as well. You might be wondering, what types of taxes are we talking about? Well, in Florida, there are generally three main types that come into play. Those are estate taxes, income taxes, and property taxes. First, estate taxes. While Florida does not impose a state estate tax, you still need to consider federal estate taxes. If the value of the deceased estate exceeds the federal threshold, that could be a significant burden on the estate's assets. Next, income taxes. The decedent's final income tax return may need to be filed to determine any owed income tax or refund due. And the estate itself may need to file an income tax return for any money earned during the probate process. Lastly, property taxes. If the deceased owned any real estate, it's essential to ensure property taxes are up to date to prevent any liens that could complicate the process for the heirs. Keep in mind, understanding what taxes are due can help prevent any unexpected surprises. So, how do you handle these taxes during probate? Let's break down some critical steps. First and foremost, you want to gather the information. Start by collecting all financial documents related to the estate. This would include bank statements, property deeds, previous tax returns. The more information you have, the smoother the process will be. Next, hire a professional. Tax laws can be complicated and daunting. That's why hiring a probate attorney or an estate tax professional can be your best investment. They can guide you through the intricacies and make sure nothing falls through the cracks. Lastly, file the necessary returns. Prepare and file any required federal estate tax returns and income tax returns for the estate. Don't forget about any local property taxes as well. Compliance is key. Pay the taxes. Ensure that any taxes owed are paid from the estate's funds. Failing to do so may put you at risk for personal liability. It's also important to communicate with beneficiaries. Keep beneficiaries in the loop because transparency can often reduce tension during an already stressful time. It may benefit you to know that beneficiaries who are Florida residents typically don't pay any inheritance taxes, but they might owe income taxes on any earnings generated from inherited assets. So there you have it, a very brief guide to navigating taxes during Florida probate. While it can feel overwhelming, with the right knowledge and support, you can simplify the process. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to share it with anyone who might need to see it. And please also feel free to reach out to us with any questions you may have. Until next time, take care, and remember, the more informed you are, the better decisions you can make.